So this is an overview of the expectations and requirements for Research Task 4, which requires you to do a survey design or questionnaire depending on the quantitative method that is chosen for the project. You will need to, in this task, you will be responsible for developing and designing what that data collection instrument will look like. So within the research process overall, this task is part of the data collection phase of the project. It is due week 7, and this is basically the way in which you will collect quantitative data. So it needs to be, in order for the quantitative data to be able to be analysed effectively, the instrument itself needs to be designed comprehensively and effectively to collect the correct type of information. So what this task requires you to do is 500 words to 1,000 words. This is just a guideline. A survey will be as long as a survey needs to be. So you need to develop the instrument that will be used to collect the quantitative data. So you need to confirm the research objectives, select appropriate data collection methods. So if this is going to be conducted online, the survey instrument itself will look very different than if it was collected paper-based and in-person mall intercept type of survey design. You need to develop the questions and the scaling of those questions, determine the layout and evaluate the questionnaire. So, like I said, a paper questionnaire looks very different to an online questionnaire. And in evaluating the questionnaire, you need to basically test it. You need to, if I was actually answering this questionnaire, can I answer the questions? Do the questions operate the way they do? Sometimes you might want people to skip forward or skip whole sections of the survey if they don't fit certain criteria. So is all of that clear, and does that function effectively? According to the textbook, you then need to get the initial client approval. The course coordinator will be in charge of this, so you can ignore this step. However, you can pre-test your questionnaire. This will be done in class in week 6, where others in the class will test your questionnaire, provide you feedback for you to then have the opportunity to revise and finalize your questionnaire. This does mean that you need to bring a draft of your questionnaire to class in week 6. Otherwise, you'll have no opportunity to have feedback on the content of your questionnaire. So, in terms of what your submission includes, you need the final questionnaire, the one that the respondent will see. So this is what it will look when it goes live, whereas the second thing you need to submit is the questionnaire outline. So this will break up the questionnaire into the sections that each part of your questionnaire represents, the different constructs that are measured within these sections, and the items measured in each section or construct. So the items are the questions themselves. So this is task 4. More information in terms of the marking criteria is available through Wattle. And we will be going through questionnaire design in class as well.